Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to call the voice assistant on your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova on your Android device. It doesn't really matter if it's the Bixby, if it's Gemini, if it's, for example, Google Assistant, if it's Siri, everything. Of course, Siri isn't available on the Android phone and the title is the Android, but doesn't matter. It works for every single voice assistant that you may have installed on your phone. So, take the left earbud outside the case and maybe right too, and you can just insert them in your ears. To call the voice assistant, triple tap the this, as you can see here. Here, as you can see, we have Google or Automat. I will tap Google always. Now, as you can see, Google Assistant is opened. Just triple tap the touch area right here, but dynamically, not like me. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.